Hello students, in this video we are going to see the solution of physics MCQs from Science Term 1 Board Exam paper of class 10th session 2021-22. The first physics MCQ in this paper is at number 17. If a lens and a spherical mirror both have a focal length of minus 15 centimeters, then it may be concluded that there are 4 options here, and out of the 4 options you have to select one option. You know that the focal length given here is negative, and for concave lens as well as concave mirror the focal length is always negative. So you should not have any difficulty in choosing the correct option. Hope you have chosen the correct option. A is a correct answer. Both are concave. Now let us see the next question. Next is an optical device forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. If the size of image is 1/2 that of the object, the optical device is a dish. There are 4 options given: concave mirror, convex mirror, plane mirror, convex lens. You know that here they have given that an optical device is there which forms an erect image of an object placed in front of it. Now, size of the image is 1/2 that of the object. It means virtual erect and diminished image. And we know that when we look at the 4 options, convex mirror is a mirror which can produce virtual erect and diminished images. For concave mirror, only when the object is between F and pole, focus and pole, image is virtual and erect, but then it is magnified. So concave, no. Plane mirror is not the option because plane mirror always produces virtual erect image of the same size as that of an object, and convex lenses is a converging lens, so it also produces virtual erect and magnified images when the object is placed between its focus and optical center. So convex mirror, B is the correct option. Now, the next MCQ is a student determines the focal length of a device A by focusing the image of a far-off object on a screen placed on the opposite side of the object. The device A is concave lens, concave mirror, convex lens, convex mirror. Now, students, first of all, you know that concave lens and convex mirror, they always produce virtual and erect images. So, virtual erect images cannot be obtained on the screen. So, this method is not used to find the focal length of these devices. Now, so we are left with 2 options, B and C, concave mirror, convex lens. In concave mirror, real inverted images are formed in front of the concave mirror. So, screen should be placed in front of the concave mirror to focus the image of a far-off object. Convex lens, when we see convex lens, here when the object is at infinity, parallel rays converge at its focus, which is lying on the other side. So for convex lens, the real inverted and highly diminished image of an object at infinity is formed at focus, which is lying on the opposite side of the convex lens, side opposite to that of an object. So C is the correct option. Now, the next MCQ is when light is incident on a glass slab, the incident ray, refracted ray, and the emergent rays are in 3 media A, B, and C. If N1, N2, N3 are the refractive indices of A, B, and C respectively, and the emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray, which of the following is true? There are 4 options given here. N1 is less than N2 and N2 is less than N3. N1 is greater than N2 and N2 is greater than N3. N1 is less than N2, which is equal to N3. N1 is equal to N2, N1 is equal to N3, which is less than N2. Now let's recall, students. This is a diagram for refraction of light through a glass slab. So here, incident ray is lying in a medium A, where refractive index is N1, and refracted rays lying in medium B, which is having refractive index N2 of glass slab material, and emergent ray is lying in medium C, which is having refractive index N3. Here in this case, I have assumed that N2 is denser than N1. So the ray will bend towards the normal. And N3 is rarer as compared to N2. So the ray will bend away from the normal. Now remember students, this bending in each case, first the bending was towards the normal, then away from the normal. So this bending should be equal in order to have emergent ray parallel to the incident ray. And this is possible only when medium A and medium C are same. That is, N1 is equal to N3. And in this case, we have taken that N2 is greater than N1 and N1 is equal to N3. Although one more case can be there where the slab material we can consider is rarer compared to the surrounding medium. In that case also, if N1 is equal to N1 is equal to N3 and N2 will be of different material, but in that case we can consider N1 is equal to N3 and it is greater than N2. In that case, the bending will be away from the normal, but again incident ray and emergent ray will be parallel. So the important condition here is N1 should be equal to N3, and in this case I have taken that N1 and N2, the N3 are equal and less than N2. So as I have told you, N1 should be equal to N3. So first A and B options are not possible, and N2 is equal to N3, which is wrong, and so we can say that D is the only option which is correct out of these 4 options. Okay, so I hope students you have understood the MCQs. All the MCQs explained here. Remember, in 20th question, even one more option could be correct, but which is not given here. So we have to select the correct option out of the 4 options, which is D. Otherwise, we can have N1 is equal to N3 is greater than N2. That is also possible, as I have told you before. So goodbye students, we'll continue with these MCQs in the next video.